Brothers Bistro. Recipes so simple, even a dude can make it.
Hi, I'm Skinny Kenny.
I'm Musclehead Kev.
And we're the Klar Brothers. Welcome to Brothers Bistro.
Well, we're back in Colorado. I'm feeling like I fit right in. I got my white beauty.
Remember to button all the way up this
Yeah. But did you see me do the snow angels?
We both did snow angels.
You did it?
I did.
I didn't think you did it. I flopped over on my face. Did you flop over on your face?
I did. I flopped over.
Oh boy. If you haven't seen our little lives on our personal pages, hey, friend us. We'll let you see them. It's super cool. We're just having fun. Every day is a new adventure. And today, we're gonna cook.
We are. We're gonna cook some garlic crusted salmon and green beans.
That's right. It's pretty simple. You gotta remember, we're probably seeing you on YouTube, but turn on those post notifications.
Yeah, hit the subscribe button
And give us a big thumbs up.
Yeah. Give us a thumbs up. We got 4 pieces of salmon.
Right.
We want to shoot for salmon. We want 5 ounces when it's cooked.
Right.
So 6 or 7 ounces before it's cooked is about right. Some are a little bit bigger, some are a little bit smaller, but
and remember, the salmon has that good fat.
Salmon has the good fat. You know, it's not a lean protein. Well, it's lean, but it's not as lean as you could get.
Right.
Other fish is way leaner. And what do you got there? This is what we're gonna.
I got some chicken bouillon, but here's the Brothers Bistro hot tip. You get the cubes, the Knorr chicken bouillon cubes.
Knorr,
and it's in double languages. So you can get the Spanish version or you can get the English version, whichever version you want.
Yeah.
You take 1 cube and it's 1 cup of water, and we only needed a couple of tablespoons. So we just mixed it up. You got to put it in the microwave because it needs a little bit of heat to dissolve into the liquid. And then I've got garlic, and I've got lemon juice, and I've got Sriracha, baby.
The hot sauce of your choice, right? We picked Sriracha.
And last but not least, butter.
And we're gonna put some butter on top after these things are all done.
So it called for 4 tablespoons of butter. Pretty cool. I don't know what genius thought of this, but it has it marked on the sides of the cubes.
Right.
So you just cut it off whatever you need.
Right. So when we come back, we're gonna show you how we're gonna mix up the glaze and how we're gonna
get it ready to go into the. And I got the Rectech going. It's set. You know, this Rectech is pretty cool, guys.
Yeah.
I could do it from my phone.
Even idiots.
I turned it. What are you calling me, an idiot? I turned it on from my phone. It's preheating right now, getting all ready to go. So when we get all this stuff drizzled all over, you're gonna follow us out there to the grill.
And it's at 400.
Yep.
Take 10 or 15 minutes to kind of preheat, and in that time we'll be doing this.
That's right. So hang with us. We'll be right back. We'll show you kind of how this looks.
So basically, I'm just taking this salt pepper here. I'm just kind of sprinkling it over it lightly.
That kind of looks like emerald. Can you do that? Can you? Bam! Yeah, there's that other guy that does it like that. I don't know what his name is. Okay, so let's look at our salmon.
And I'm going to put a little salt over the...
So he's going over it.
I think we got too much salt here. I don't know who was measuring, but I think there's too much salt here.
Okay.
So I'm not going to put all that in there. And now we got pepper. Same kind of drill with the pepper.
Wow, that's pretty going to be peppery, buddy. I think somebody mismeasured here, or somebody misread the condiments for sure. What do you think, buddy?
Teaspoon should be tablespoon or vice versa.
Yeah. So I'm gonna just dump all this stuff into the bowl. There's my chicken broth. There's my garlic. Here's my lemon sauce. Let me get a little bit of this garlic out. It's not really garlic, it's garlic, right? And a sriracha. So we scrape that out there. Look at that. My brother didn't think the bowl was big enough. I was trying to tell him the whole time.
Oh, you haven't mixed anything yet. Let's see how it mixes.
Oh yeah, that looks good. Okay, now we're gonna take the brush and we're gonna brush that on the salmon.
Okay, let's do that right now.
And we got this cool brush that's kind of got rubber tendrils to it.
Okay, that's all brushed on.
Okay, and now we're about ready to go into the oven. So my brother took that half a stick, basically, of butter, and he cubed it up. And it looks good. It looks like you can see the garlic, and you can kind of see everything's kind of sitting pretty.
Right.
So now we're headed to the Rectech, the grill.
Coming out. Oh, look, there's snow. Is that what this white stuff is?
Okay, so we're treating the grill just like it was an oven. And we're just gonna slide this thing in.
Let me see when it goes in here.
And it's gonna take 10 or 15 minutes and it's done.
Look, okay, close that bad boy up. Let's see what it looks like. Oh yeah, that's beauty.
Are you afraid to step into the snow out here?
We're walking through the snow. Who wants to do a snow angel? Woo! All right, what do you got here? Wow! Woo! Wow, that looks delicious.
delicious.
All right, so I'm gonna pull it off the grill. I'm gonna shut the grill.
And we're gonna remember to turn off the grill this time so we don't burn through all the pellets.
All right, what do we got, bud?
Well, we got the green beans and we got the salmon, the butter garlic salmon. Is that hot? You think?
Might need a mitt.
It's not too hot.
No.
No. It's not too hot. So we got green beans. And we got that garlic butter salmon. I think it's looking pretty good.
Okay, I'm gonna take a bite. What do you think? Let's take a bite.
Let's do it. That's yummy.
The salmon's really good. We've got a little kick.
Definitely got a little kick.
That must be the Sriracha. Right? And you know what? These were just frozen green beans. They're great. It's got a little kick. I'm feeling it right now. I need a little drink.
And we thought, you always need a little drink. That's nothing new. So, listen, this is right out of Butcher Box. We forgot to tell them. That's another Brothers Bistro product placement.
That's right.
Like,
Butcher Box. Come on, we're waiting for you. You got to be better than McCormick's.
We're gonna keep shouting them out until they come to us.
All right, guys. Hey, until next time, remember, turn on those post notifications, hit the subscribe, and give us a big thumbs up. Until next time, Brothers Bistro out.